I didn't know I had teleportiosis until one day when the ice cream truck came by. I tried to get some ice cream, but I just teleported back to my house. When we went to the doctors, they said it was confirmed that I had teleportiosis. Teleportiosis is a rare disease that only affects about 1 out of a million people, so I'm very unlucky.
Hey Jack, it's me Bryce. Wanna go see that movie? Hello?